Okay, this is the introduction for this last week here. Uh, for for the AP class, your AP exam is on Tuesday at 11 a.m. Make sure you're ready for it. Make sure you know everything you need to do in terms of the logistical side, how you log in, how you get your set up for the exam. And again, I think I told you, I think the best way for the math test is to take it on an iPad at a place where you have a place to work, and then do your work on paper, and then you submit using photographs of your work that you upload. Be sure that you are, however you're going to do it, and that's why I recommend, but however you're going to do it, be sure that you've watched the videos I've sent and you've read the literature from AP. I know this can be overwhelming, like you got 6 classes and everyone's posting announcements every freaking 10 minutes, and you're trying to, organize all of this stuff, and sometimes it can be overwhelming, but please make sure that you are prepared. Now, in terms of the exam itself, it's going to be 2 questions. You're going to have one question that is 20 minutes and 5 minutes to upload, and then another one that is 15 minutes and 5 minutes to upload. Okay? I did send out, over the last 6 or 7 tests that I've given you, I did send out one test question from each one, which I think would be a good one to study, kind of narrow in on what I think they're going to focus on. Also, I did post the AP version of a practice test. They put up their own practice test, and then make sure you check that out. And then I also put one up. Now, I know I told you this already, but mine's a little easy. Okay, I get that. But remember, I think the big 7 in the first semester: when is the function increasing, when is the function decreasing, when is it concave up, when is it concave down, where are the relative max, where are the relative min, and where are the inflection points. I think that's going to be asked pretty much. That's the big ideas, I think, from the first semester. And then the second semester, I think fundamental theorem of calculus obviously is going to be an important part of the test. And I think they're going to do max min with fundamental theorem of calculus. So I think those are the big ideas, and I think those are things that I would focus on at this point. I tried not to focus on anything in particular until a few days ago, but now we're getting down to the nitty-gritty, and I need to put a huge disclaimer here. I don't know that that's what they're going to do. I'm just guessing like everybody else is, okay? But I do wish you the best of luck. The class is over at that point. You have a final exam technically, and so make sure that you turn that in before 11 o'clock on Tuesday, and I'm going to close the window and everything, and so grades will be done at that point, and then you're on your own for the rest of the semester in terms of studying for your other AP exams. For CP, sorry you had to sit through all that, but for CP, I'm also going to put your final up on Monday. Now, technically, the finals week is in the following week, but because so many of you are on AP, and I just kind of want to wind this thing down, I'm putting the final up tomorrow on the 11th. It is not due until the 20th at noon. 20th at noon. So the 20th at noon, everything is due. Not just the final, but just like the AP class ends on the 12th at 11 a.m. on Tuesday, the May 12th at 11. Your class ends on May 20th at noon, which I think is a Wednesday. Good luck on everything that you guys have to do this week, and I think I will still have a Zoom meeting on Wednesday, but it is really literally like just in case anyone has any questions about anything that doesn't make sense. So don't feel obligated to attend if you have other things that are more important to attend to. Okay, bye-bye.